Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's topic is حروف. حروف means alphabets. So in Arabic there are 29 alphabets. Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, Ta, Za, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Nun, Ha, Hamza, Waw, Ya. So it was the correct pronunciation of these alphabets. However, in some other languages, they are pronounced like alif, ba, be, te. It is incorrect in Arabic. Please pronounce it as I pronounced them. If you need more information about alphabets, so I will share a link at the end of video, so you may go through that link. But if you have basic information of Arabic's alphabet, so then you don't have to go to that link, because that would be very basic. That link would be for very basic learners.